Unofin is a range of decorative waterproofing renders for facades that provides an excellent textured finish by Pidilite Puma, a joint venture between Pidilite Industries Limited and Grupo Puma, Spain. Before applying, make sure that the substrate is flat, solid, clean and dry. Eliminate any dust or any oils that may hinder the adherence of the product. Wet the substrate to check the surface absorption. Before rendering, a first coat of ancillary primer should be applied in case of a concrete surface. Primer improves the adherence, smoothens the application, and evens the absorption of the substrate. It also provides a base coat for better coverage and yield of the render. Prepare a paste by mixing Unofin Classic Coarse with water. Mix manually or mechanically until a workable mixture is obtained. Wet the substrate to check the absorption levels. Provide corner profile for safety from damage, better termination, and alignment of edges. Before rendering, place the fiberglass mesh around the frames, columns, window blind boxes, and in all joints between different substrates. This will prevent any stress cracks in the future. A fiberglass mesh should be placed diagonally at the corners. Make sure the mesh is anti-alkaline and suitable for the render. The fiberglass mesh must be embedded in the render. It must not be too close to the substrate nor to the surface. To apply Unofin Classic Coarse manually, divide the substrate into zones with PVC strips. This zoning improves the overall aesthetics and it also smoothens the transitions between areas. Separation between horizontal joints should be 2.2 meters and 7 meters for the vertical joints. Final thickness of the render should be 10 to 15 millimeters. Prior to rendering, it is advisable to apply the first layer between 2 to 3 millimeters thick to seal the substrate. Spread the render slightly thicker than the PVC strips. Level the render with a straight edge until the surface is smooth. Use the float tool to give the required textured finish to the surface. Once it is completed, let it harden for 4 to 15 hours depending on the substrate and the climatic conditions. Unofin decorative renders are rainwater resistant, hairline cracks and peel resistant. Products can be used on different types of substrates like AAC blocks, bricks and concrete directly. The product range is available in different types like Unofin Classic Coarse, Unofin Prime Coarse, Unofin Select and Unofin Select Stone Chip Finish.